What's up everybody, welcome to another review video. Today we are gonna talk about Cubot KingKong 8, a new rugged smartphone from Cubot. Yeah, I have used this one, not only me and my girlfriend here, we both have used this one for almost a month now. We have been traveling with this Cubot KingKong 8 along with us, and when we were camping outside the city, we have used this Cubot KingKong 8 for an extensive period of time. Why? Yeah, we will talk about that later in this video. Well, at the beginning, let us check the specifications of this Cubot KingKong 8. Cubot KingKong 8 is powered by a MediaTek Helio P60, a very capable mid-range SoC. This one has 6GB of onboard RAM, and we can expand the RAM up to 6GB, so we have access to 12GB of RAM. On board, this one comes with 256GB of ROM, but as there is a TF card slot, we can expand the RAM up to 1TB. That's ludicrous. I actually don't need that type of storage, but if you want, you definitely can expand. Yeah, the most important thing is this one comes with a dual blazing LED torch, 10,600 mAh battery. The display panel is a HD plus 6.52-inch panel, but you know what? This is a rugged smartphone, so this one comes with IP68 and IP69K rating. Yeah, these are IP68 and IP69K certified, so definitely we can use KingKong 8 in many different environments. Well, other than its rugged feature and that dual blazing LED torch, I actually like another feature more. That is the camera performance. This Cubot KingKong 8 comes with a 48-megapixel main camera. Yeah, the main sensor has autofocus. This one also has a 20-megapixel night vision sensor, 16-megapixel selfie sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. As usual, we'll start from unboxing, but before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, let's talk about the design and build quality. Cubot always uses premium materials to manufacture their smartphones, and this one is no different than other products of Cubot. This one even has a better and much more unique design language. Yeah, Cubot KingKong 8 comes with a metal frame and the side rails are reinforced with aluminium. There is a microphone and a speaker cutout at the back. On the right side, there is a dedicated button with an orange accent. That is the flashlight button. And then it's the power button. I need to mention the fingerprint sensor is actually integrated into the power button, so the power button also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. Volume rockers and the SIM tray, both are on the left side. And at the bottom, there is nothing but a USB-C port. As usual, as this is a rugged smartphone, the USB-C port is well protected with a cover. All four corners have reinforced protection for accidental drops and bumps. As I have mentioned earlier, Cubot KingKong 8 comes with IP68 and IP69K rating, so that means KingKong 8 is dust and waterproof, and this one will survive even if you drop it from a 1.5 meter height. Well, from my personal experience after using this one for almost a month, I think this one actually has a very good protection against accidental drop or bump. Well, at the beginning, I was a bit worried about the top-facing flashlight because I thought that would easily get damaged by accidental drops, but after this one got accidentally dropped for almost 2 times from 3 meters height, wow, nothing happened. And in real life, this blazing dual LED torch is a very powerful one because it comes with 5000 lumens of brilliance and doesn't drain a lot of battery. Well, that actually ensures that if we have a Cubot KingKong 8 in our hand, then we will never get lost in the dark. Cubot KingKong 8 comes with a 6.52-inch HD Plus panel. This one has a 720 by 1600 resolution. As this is a LCD panel, at the beginning I didn't have much of expectation. Wow, after I have used this one, I feel like I actually didn't expect this type of performance from an LCD panel, because this one comes with natural color calibration. I should say colors are pretty nice. Cubot KingKong 8 can generate very good colors and goes very bright. Black is true deep black white is very bright. I have more than 25 rugged smartphones from different brands. And I think KingKong 8 actually has one of the best HD Plus panel among all the smartphones which comes with a HD Plus panel. Kudos to Cubot. Well, Cubot KingKong 8 comes with a single loudspeaker located at the rear panel. Neither at the bottom nor on the top. A bit of an awkward positioning? Maybe. But after I have listened to some music using this Cubot KingKong 8, bang! I'm really surprised. I will let you enjoy one of my favorite music. I believe you will get blown away by the performance.
She's a snake crawling, creeping on the floor. If you give her time of day, baby, that's your first mistake. She will swallow you whole. Man, we just put 'em on.
Yeah, I have already talked about the sensors. And I have already mentioned that I love the camera performance of this Cubot KingKong 8. Considering that this is a rugged smartphone, the 48 megapixel main sensor with autofocus, oh my gosh, I'm really surprised with the performance. The main sensor camera performance is really comparable to any proper mid-range smartphone. I will let you check some photos and videos that I have taken with this Cubot KingKong 8 side by side with another smartphone. Check carefully and let me know in the comment section what do you think. Hasn't Cubot KingKong 8 performed way better than its competitor? Cubot KingKong 8 comes with the MediaTek MT8788 SoC. This one actually is a Helio P60 SoC and octa-core SoC. Oh, I have said SoC 3 times already. Okay, I have also mentioned that we have access to 12GB of RAM, so definitely we can play games on Cubot KingKong 8. Me and Thea, we both have been playing graphics-intensive games on this Cubot KingKong 8. I have played Real Racing 3. Thea has been playing NFS, Need for Speed. Both are truly graphics-intensive games. So yeah, after playing games on KingKong 8 for the past couple of weeks, we can say without any hesitation, this one actually performs. This one performs very good. But if you want to play games like Genshin Impact or something like that, then this isn't a device for you. This is a rugged smartphone and more suitable for casual gamers. If you want to play Real Racing 3, Shadow Fight 4, Call of Duty in low graphics settings, then okay, KingKong 8 will offer very fluid battery in-game experience. KingKong 8 comes with a 10,600 mAh battery. That's huge, that's humongous. Me and Thea, we have been camping and we have tried our best to drain the battery of this smartphone, but we have failed. This Cubot KingKong 8 offers almost 76 hours of calling time, 42 hours of music time, and almost 18 hours of video streaming. Actually, Cubot claims that we can do video playback for 17 hours on this device, but the truth is, I have managed to squeeze 18 hours of video playback. I mean on Wi-Fi. If you don't use mobile data, KingKong 8 offers longer video streaming or video playback time. Okay, Cubot offers a 18-watt charger inside the box, and that charger takes less than 100 minutes to fully recharge Cubot KingKong 8. KingKong 8 runs on Android 13 out of the box and there isn't no skin on top of it, so this one offers stock Android experience, and as Cubot has promised a few years of major Android updates, we are totally future-proof. KingKong 8 has its fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button, which means this one comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. And the fingerprint sensor actually works perfectly fine, so no complaint. Finally, it's time for verdict. What do you think? I'm in love with this Cubot KingKong 8. Okay, if you're in the market and looking for a rugged smartphone which offers all-round performance and doesn't break the bank, then I wouldn't hesitate to recommend Cubot KingKong 8. I have left a link of this Cubot KingKong 8 in the description box. Go ahead, check the product, but before that, if you have liked this video, if you have found this video helpful, then please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.